us, Rob Holland. Designed to go 16 G's so now he's got all that smash, all that speed. He rolls and slides and then flips end over end, over end, over end, over end. I feel sick just looking at it, and stays focused and connected. Again, testament to his physical fitness, staying fit, staying on top and building up his G tolerances. Look at the flow rate of this airplane. Incredible flying machine. The MX, built in Australia. Again, inside, outside, right side up, upside down. Never stopping the aerobatics and using every inch of the aerobatic box as he pushes those negative G's again. Up to the top this time. He pushes over in 0G and then quickly flips the airplane end over end. And then you hear the powers. He powers out of that and stays flying, and down he comes again for more. He's all over social media. You've got to see it from his point of view. He gives you a great look at that on all of his social media pages. You look up Rob Holland, you see that it looks like a wire out on the one wing. Well, that's the invisible, it's going down, it's slowing that airplane down in the big time. His 360 camera is out on the wing, and he's running cameras all over the airplane right now, so you'll get a chance to see what this looks like from his point of view. The invisible selfie stick out on the wing makes it look like the camera is actually floating out there beside him. So around the top he goes in the corkscrew, and he's still just in the momentum itself, spinning round and round, but still very much attached. That wing is working, and he continues to fly, and he's figured out how to do that. Sliding, that bleeds off the energy and the airspeed quickly. Slides again, just look at all of the extra energy this airplane gets. It is incredibly well designed for aerobatics. And then right into the torque roll where he just hangs from the prop at almost 400 horsepower. Such a light airplane, very powerful airplane, a perfect airplane for Rob Holland. And so now you get it. 5 times the world champion when it comes to freestyling. And he comes up with all of these maneuvers so creatively. Look at that, around he goes. 11 times he's won the national championship. 12 times the freestyle national championship. For the folks at EAA, honorary member of the Thunder, not the Thunderbirds yet, but I'm sure that's coming, as he settles down now and just makes it hover. He's a Blue Angel honorary member of the Canadian Snowbirds jet team too. Why? Because they're just so impressed with the way he flies. And right now, with all that speed and motion, look, he's just sitting there, hovering right out in front of us, hanging from that big triple prop and that big, almost 400 horsepower engine, until he gets bored with it, punches forward, and he's got a little bit more for us just before he wraps things up and gets hydrated after this routine. get lined up and ready to shoot his approach in a very unique way before we can convince him to come back down to the ground. So he doesn't fly about 5 miles out and line things up. Rob goes to the top of the aerobatic box, comes back around again, and settles down into a flat spin. So there's the runway, there's the other end of it, there's the other end of the runway, there you are, there's the other side of the field, and there's the runway again. So I think I got this. So why don't I just, push the nose down now, and there's my approach. I'm going to slide and bleed off just a little bit of energy, and then I'm going to get the wheels lined up, and I get ready for my landing. But you know what? Landing's